Hello and welcome on this very gloomy day out at Todmorden. Today we're going to have 60s and 66s as it's going to be pulling the Drax service as it's very windy and cold. So should be here any minute now. Oh, I'm freezing. Should have brought a coat with me, but oh well. As it should be here any minute now. As it's going from Doncaster down Decoy to Liverpool Biomass Terminal. As there's going to be a 60 on the rear and a 60 on the front, and the 66 in between, well, on the front as well. Very shaky and shivery. But anyway, should be here any minute, as here it is, as 60 leading. 60 or 56 and 66 733. As there it goes, as that was 60.056, 66 733 and 60.087, and a little wave from the driver going from Doncaster down Decoy to Liverpool Biomass Terminal. Right, that'll be it. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.